Hi, good morning. My name is Giselle Wheel and I am here today with Ewout Rasendal. We're both global product managers for SPX FLOW solutions. Today in SPX FLOW, we're redefining lifecycle solutions, and we're doing that by integrating its services throughout the life cycle of a product, a plant, an asset. We're engaging early with our customers to understand what it is driving their life cycle goals and needs. A project doesn't finish at the moment that we commission it, neither does it start in the moment that we develop a maintenance plans for them. By being able to engage early with our customers, we're having a holistic approach that enables us to have a deeper understanding of what our customer needs are. Customers are looking today to maximize their technical efficiencies, and that's one of the key benefits of this approach, being able to enhance their overall operational performance. Overall cost of ownership are in between some of the main benefits that we can see. By also engaging early with our customers, we're being able to deliver and design a solution that it would be truly engineered for life. We're going to spend now some time with Ewout understanding what does that mean in practice. Ewout.
So thank you, Giselle. So at SPX FLOW, we put the customer at the heart of everything we do. So what does this mean for a customer? Customers want machinery that is reliable, cost efficient, and lasts a long time. So in terms of maintenance, that means that they want to do some of that themselves, so they want support for that, so they want to have the spare parts and the documentation to do that. For certain activities, they want help from a partner, and the partner to actually help them with the upgrades, the training, and the actual services. Also, they want somebody to call upon when things go wrong. So they want to have an emergency escalation path to a partner that they can trust. And ideally, they would like to have all of that into one partner. So we at SPX FLOW have developed our lifecycle solutions to meet the needs of all those. So we've got solutions for the inception phase, where we are developing and designing products and systems. And we have got solutions around commissioning, upgrades, where we actually inject new technology into existing equipment to make sure we make the most out of what's available, and decommissioning. So those solutions will give our customers the reliability they need, the cost effectiveness they need, and actually be giving them an advantage in the market. In summary, we have a suite of life cycle solutions that go from the inception phase to the decommissioning phase, and we are there all the way through. The other thing we do is we have a focus on technical efficiency. With the knowledge that we have of our systems, our equipment, and our customers and applications, we can help our customers get the most out of their equipment. So the technical efficiency is actually as high as it can be. And last of all, we have quality products. We have products that have got the right availability, the right price, and the right quality to meet the customer's needs. So from myself and from Giselle, thank you very much.